In this short video, I want to give you a tour of my studio/office. I really appreciate everyone's support. And I want to start out by saying that I know that I'm privileged to have the things that I have. I don't want you to think that I'm bragging about all of this. If you want to start your own YouTube channel, you don't need all of this equipment. When I started, all I had was a PC, a webcam, and a gaming headset that I used for the mic. And that was it. But if you want to invest in better gear, links to everything that I use will be in the description below. And as a disclaimer, they are affiliate links, so I might make a small percent, but they don't cost you any different. Also, I would never recommend anything that I don't personally use. Some of the things have been sent to me by companies and some things I've purchased with my own money, and I'll call that out as we go. This video is not sponsored by anyone. The office itself is pretty small. I have curtains to reduce echoes while recording. They're blackout curtains hung on tension rods. I have a GVM light. It's a 100-watt light with a lantern softbox. This used to be my primary light, but now I just use it when needed to shoot photos or videos like this. Over to this little table, I have a picture my brother painted. He's an artist, so go check out his artwork website. Then I have a mic that I used to use, the Rode NT USB. It's a good mic, I would say just above entry level. And then this codeSTACKr sign my wife gave me as a gift. It's really cool, it lights up. And then hanging on the wall is my YouTube 100,000 subscriber play button. Over here I have a shelf with various trinkets. Most of this my wife has purchased. Here's the John Duckett HTML, CSS, and JavaScript books. These are a must-have. Then I have Duckett. My wife likes to dress him up for my videos. Next to him is a Vortex mechanical keyboard. This was sent to me and I love using it when I'm not recording a video because it's quite loud. And then above that we have a Lite Bright, an awesome toy from my childhood. And then lighting up the background here are some Govee light bars. On the floor I have an Elgato green screen. It's very convenient and quick to open and close when needed. It just pulls up. Now over to the main desk setup. We'll start with the laptop. This is my work laptop provided to me by MongoDB. It's a MacBook Pro 16-inch Intel, not M1 sadly. The laptop is sitting on an adjustable desk mount pneumatic arm. This makes it float above the desk and frees up room underneath it. Next to that is a Logitech StreamCam. It's a pretty good webcam. On the other side, I have another Logitech webcam, the Brio 4K. It's pretty good too. Above the laptop is a teleprompter with an older iPad mini. That connects to my PC and acts as a third monitor. Inside the teleprompter is my Sony A7c. I just have the kit lens on it right now. It's a good lens, but my next purchase is going to be a new prime lens. I love the camera though. The camera connects to my PC using an Elgato CamLink 4K. And the camera is powered by USB, so I don't need any weird workarounds to make it record longer than 30 minutes like some other cameras have. Over to the top monitor, this is a 27-inch ThinkVision sent to me by MongoDB. And underneath I have an LG 38-inch ultrawide curved monitor. I absolutely love this monitor. On top of the top monitor, I have a BenQ Screenbar Plus light bar. This was sent to me by BenQ, and I would actually buy this if they didn't send it to me. It works great. Above everything, I have a Rode NTG5 shotgun mic, which I use as my main mic for recording talking head style videos. This mic is clamped onto one of the monitor arms with a really cheap adjustable boom arm. Then off to the side, I have a Shure SM7B, which I use for voiceovers, podcasts, and live streams, and that's what I'm using right now. This one is attached to the desk with a Rode PSA-1 boom arm. I really like this setup. It's really easy to move out of the way when you don't need it. And then I also have a Cloudlifter inline before the preamp on this mic. To mount everything, I'm using various mounts and parts all pieced together. I'll include links to all of the parts and pieces in the description. On top of the desk, I have a bunch of products from Grovemade. These were all sent to me and they all look really good. They sent me a desk shelf, a huge desk pad, a mouse pad with a cool built-in pen tray, a small planter, a really cool metal pen, and an iPad stand. This is really high quality stuff and it looks great. On top of the desk pad is an Elgato Stream Deck, and this is one of the best purchases that I've made. I use it to automate literally everything. Then I have my trusty Logitech MX Master 3 mouse and Logitech Ergo keyboard. Now on the iPad stand is my iPad Air that I use to doodle and take notes. I bought the Magic Keyboard for it and I highly recommend it. It turns your iPad into a laptop. It's amazing. Then I have a random brand wireless charger for my Samsung Galaxy S21, my Galaxy Watch, and buds, and it charges them all at the same time. Above everything is 2 Elgato Key Lights, and they work great. The back lights are Govee LED strips, and the desk itself is an Uplift adjustable standing desk. Now, I bought this myself after trying to get them to send me one for free, and I don't regret the purchase at all. I love it. I got the desk along with a filing cabinet, a PC holder, and a few other various accessories. The chair is a Secret Labs Titan. Again, this is something that I bought myself, and I'd say it's a good chair. I wouldn't say it's the best, but it's good. Under the desk, I have a cabinet for my audio gear. Eventually, I'll move some networking gear in here too. On top is a Focusrite Scarlett 2i2. Then I have a DBX 215S equalizer and 2 DBX 286S mic preamp processors, one for each mic. Then I have a Tripp Lite PDU power strip. I used Davinci Resolve to edit my videos, and I used the free version for over a year. When they came out with this speed editor, it came bundled with the studio version of the software for $2.99, which was the price of the software by itself. So the speed editor was basically free, and I like it. I use it when I'm editing. For my headphones, I have a Sony WH-1000X-M4. These are very comfortable and sound great. I wear them pretty much all day, every day. And for my PC, it's an off-the-shelf PC. I got tired of building my own. The brand is iBuyPower, but it has pretty good specs. It has an Intel i7-9700F, 32 gigs of RAM, a 480 gig SSD, a 1 terabyte hard drive, and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2070 Super. It works great for my needs. And that's it. Thank you for watching my videos. I could not do what I do without you. Again, links for all of this stuff are in the description, and I'll see you in the next video.